Welcome to Insights into Insurance with Tom Sorensen of Americana Insurance Group. All information provided is educational in nature and not intended to be acted upon without first consulting the appropriately licensed professional.
Saturday morning here on Insights into Insurance with Americana Insurance's Tom Sorensen. And Tom, another Saturday, another show.
Well, good morning, Paul. How are you doing today?
No complaints. I wish it was a little warmer.
Yeah, that would be nice. I could use some snow, too. I hope we get some snow before Christmas, but that sounded like that might not happen, but hopefully it does. By the way, I want to ask you something.
Sure.
Was our 50th anniversary, was that it for us? Is that what pushed you over the edge? My understanding is that you were leaving us.
Well, the 50-year-old chocolate you gave me really didn't sit well. No, yeah. I'm different avenue I'll be heading towards, and that's all I can say technically. Yep. But I know you'll be left in capable hands. At least I hope they're capable. We'll get into that next week, I guess.
Yeah, so. Right. Well, I just thought, yeah, wow, we just had our 50th anniversary, and now he's going to leave me. Anyway, well, I appreciate all that you've done, Paul, for me and for our agency. And I suppose we better get to the actual show today, huh?
Yeah, let's get to that email, okay?
Okay.
Tom, this is actually an email we have heard before, but I think it kind of makes sense that we're going to reuse this for our topic today.
Right, exactly.
Hello, Insights into Insurance. I've been a client of Americana Insurance Group for many years now. I would like to hear from some of the employees also, and what are their roles in the agency and expertise from Janice.
Yeah, and Janice, basically what I took from that was she's sick of hearing from me. So, and as I always say, well, good thing that it's on the radio, Janice, because I got a face for the radio, not TV. So anyway, no, it's a great idea, fun idea. My special guests today are Nancy Volley and LaMar Stallo from Americana Insurance Group. Good morning, Nancy, LaMar.
Good morning.
Good morning, Tom.
So, Nancy, let's start with you. I'm going to pick on you first. What is your job title?
Well, my job title on my sign above my door is Administrative Specialist. LaMar calls me his Assistant Accounting Manager.
Okay, all right. Yeah, so just tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm an Iowegian. I grew up on a farm by Nashua, Iowa, and I'm very proud of that fact.
No, we never knew that. No, we knew that you were very proud of that, so good.
I get a lot of grief about that at work.
Yeah, when it comes to the Iowa-Minnesota thing, we've got 3 transplant Iowans in our agency now, so.
That's good.
Yeah.
We should have known better.
You should have known better to come. Yeah. But you grew up on a farm, right?
Yes, and that's why I enjoy what I'm doing. We work with a lot of agribusiness at the agency, and I enjoy talking with the farmers and visiting with them.
Yeah. My guess is I believe I know you well enough that I know that you're married, right?
Yes, I am married.
Yeah, and your husband?
My husband is Lee Volley.
Yep.
And we reside on 5 acres of yard
yes.
between Austin and Albert Lea.
Yes, and you have a granddaughter, or you got some grandchildren, I should say.
Yes, I do. We have 8 grandchildren and 1 on the way.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations, yes. What do you do at the agency?
Well, I'm kind of a jack of all trades.
Yes, you are.
I've held many different positions there. Started out in a temp position and was hired shortly thereafter as a customer service representative.
In 1999.
Yes. So I've been there. It'll be going on 19 years.
Yep.
This coming April. I've been there longer than Tom, in fact.
Yes.
There you go.
She started a few months before me. So, yep.
So they had to have my approval first.
Yeah, there you go. Yes.
But anyway, and from there I acquired my P&C license and worked as personal lines manager, selling home and auto and a small business policy here and there. And now I'm moving into an accounting position and working with LaMar, because LaMar is looking at possibly retiring in 3 to 5 to 10 years.
One of those choices, right? Yes, we're transitioning her into being able to be there for when LaMar makes that big step.
It's a big step.
Yes.
3, 5, or 10 years from now.
3, 5, or 10 years. So anyway, but I would guess what I would say is Nancy is probably one of the most valuable people in our office because she pretty much knows anything and everything about each position, and that she even knows the crop insurance that I do. She's my right arm for that also. So she is a very valuable employee at the Americana Insurance. So LaMar, so what is your job title?
My job title is Accounting HR Manager.
And tell us about LaMar Stallo.
I also, as Nancy, was raised on a farm by Freeborn, Minnesota. Left the farm and after graduation moved to Tacoma, Washington. Was in the military for 4 years at Madigan Army Medical Center, and then came back to Minnesota.
So you're not one of them from Iowa. Good.
No.
So that's good.
Homegrown.
So you got some grandchildren too, right?
Yes. Mary Jo and I reside in Glenville, Minnesota, and we have 4 sons, 5 grandchildren, and the 6th one on the way in May.
Wow.
Congratulations to you too.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. And then we have 5 grand dogs and 2 grand cats.
There you go. They're to boot. Yeah, right. So how long have you been with the Americana Insurance Group?
I joined Americana in 2007. I had previously been with Americana Bank, and Tom approached me when the bank was sold about joining Americana Insurance. So I've been there 10 years now.
Yes, yeah. And so what do you do?
Pretty much anything with the numbers in the agency.
Yep.
And also the employee benefits. And then my third position there, the employees tell me, is the psychologist in the agency.
Yeah. Whenever anybody needs to get some comfort or whatever, they come to LaMar. Need to talk about a situation in their life or at work, that they come and talk to LaMar. LaMar, Nancy, we're going to take a quick break here, and we'll come back after 30 seconds and talk more about your roles and Americana Insurance Group.
We'll have more in 30 seconds right here on Insights into Insurance with Americana Insurance's Tom Sorensen.
Nationwide is on your side. You have a side that is retired, playing tag and getting tired. A side that owns your own store. Looks like you need to explain some more. That's why there's a Nationwide. They help protect and grow your many sides. Nationwide is on your side.
Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company and Affiliates, Columbus, Ohio.
For all your many sides, there's Nationwide. Call Americana Insurance Group in Albert Lea and Wells today.
Back here on Insights into Insurance with Americana Insurance's Tom Sorensen. And Tom, you brought along 2 employees today, as Janice wanted to hear from some more employees.
Right, and I think the earlier show we did Amy and Lori, so
Yep.
now we got Nancy and LaMar, and we'll have in the future some more. So I guess we should maybe talk about our Christmas party.
Because that was a big thing coming up.
Yeah, that was this last Saturday. First of all, we started out at Meinegan's in Alden.
Okay.
Very, very good service, good food. Coke and Sue did a great job there. Then what did we do, LaMar and Nancy? We went to where?
And to the Oakview Golf Course by Freeborn, and did a little poker night.
Yes, we did a poker night, casino, Vegas night, whatever you want to call it. And so we give them a certain amount of chips, and then they basically played blackjack and roulette and Texas Hold'em. LaMar was kind of the big winner on the Texas Hold'em, and then from the chips, then they used those, they could bid on prizes that we had. So LaMar, what did you win for prizes?
Well, Tom was right. I was really lucky at Texas Hold'em. Had never played it before, and
Is that what you tell people?
Yep, they kept pushing the bid up, and I kept throwing my money in, and luckily I got good cards, and so I was able to outbid everybody. And ended up with a pair of Vikings tickets for December 31st, the Bears game.
Yeah, pretty hot ticket this year.
Yeah.
Nancy, did you end up with some prizes?
I did. We got a gift certificate to Raleigh's Ace Hardware, and we also received a tray with a couple of soup mugs.
Yep, okay.
Great.
And then we had many other gifts, wild tickets, things like that we auctioned off to our employees for the casino night. So we had a lot of fun. We had a blast.
Yeah.
People that never played blackjack before, Texas Hold'em, that was fun because they didn't. I'll tell you right now, my employees are the worst blackjack players in the world. But but it was fun watching them. Okay, to do this. Anyway, so about Americana Insurance, LaMar, Nancy, what do you feel if you were a client? What would you feel would attract you to Americana Insurance Group? Nancy, if you want to just kind of give a.
Well, I just feel that if anybody calls in or walks in, they are welcomed, and whomever they speak with in our agency, they know that we are knowledgeable in the products that we sell, and that we will cover them correctly and will explain thoroughly to them what they need to have, and then it is their decision as to what they take.
Right, correct, yeah. And LaMar, what do you think we do as an agency that maybe another agency or agencies do not do?
Well, I think we have most of our products that we sell, we have employees cross-trained. So usually there's an agent available to help someone if they walk in, if their current agent isn't available. So I think that's a real important thing.
Right, and then a lot of times too, we have certain people in there that can take changes that are dedicated to that, or our account managers, or claims where they walk through the claims process and things like that. Nancy, what do you feel our agency's philosophy on conducting business is? What do you feel that is?
I feel that our philosophy is every person that comes to us for insurance has a need, and our goal in our agency is to meet those needs. We accept anybody that walks through those doors, gives us a call. We do our best to give them the coverages they need, and we don't care where you're from or who you are, but we'll just take care of you like your family.
Right, exactly. What is the favorite thing to do as part of your job, LaMar?
When I get the opportunity, probably one of the favorite things that I like to do is visit with a client. Because I'm locked in my little numbers room, I don't have that opportunity real often, but I really enjoy the interaction with the clients when they do come in.
LaMar's got a typical accounting office, lots of papers, and by golly, don't you ever throw anything away.
No, never.
Right? Receipts, yeah,
Right,
yeah. Something that we always do in our monthly all-staff meeting is positive quote, comment, or anything that has happened in your life. Can you tell me something, LaMar, that you got going on that are proud of or happy and positive?
I guess with Christmas coming, I really look forward to spending time with family, and especially the grandchildren. They're all at ages where they're just a blessing to have in our lives. So.
Right. Plus, you got a Vikings game that's coming up.
Plus, we have a Vikings game, and we actually had to kind of reschedule one of the Christmas parties so I can go to the game.
Right. How about you, Nancy?
Well, one of my main passions in my life is my church hosts the Ruby's Pantry in Albert Lea.
Yep.
And nothing is more rewarding. We've been doing this for over 3 years now, and I've been there every single Saturday that they've had it, and I just love greeting each and every person that attends there and just sharing the love, let's say.
Yep, you do, and Nancy's passionate, and she puts a lot of work to that Ruby's Pantry and to her church. And one of the reasons why we do these shows is meeting like Nancy and LaMar today is showing the community that we're real people. We're people part of the community, and the Kate listeners, I hope they understand that we're just not, some people can maybe, insurance people. Well, yeah, I know, I get it, but we're also good people too, and part of the community, and how we're community involved, and the things that we got going on in our lives. We have families too, and so we're very proud to be in the community. Albert Lea has treated us very well, and the surrounding areas. We have a territory that extends quite a ways, but obviously our core is Freeborn County and Albert Lea. So we want to say thank you to the community, especially at this time of the year, and Merry Christmas to all of them. And as you can tell, I'm very proud of my employees.
You can tell. Tom, if people have questions, maybe they want to be part of the Americana Insurance family, what's a good way to contact you?
507-377-2000 for the phone number. And then we have insights at americanainsurance.com is my email for any listener questions or any questions that they would want to have to contact me. Or go to our website, americanainsurance.com.
All right. Thanks, Tom.
Merry Christmas, Paul.
You've been listening to Insights into Insurance from Americana Insurance Group. All information provided is intended to be educational in nature. Before acting upon any information obtained during the Insights into Insurance radio show broadcast, consult an appropriately licensed professional.